Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Taylor's Boom. And this dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. So basically guys, today we're doing this Davido dance. Sorry about the noise guys. Sorry about the noise right now. I think they're working in my area, so I just have to do this video for you guys. I'm not taking this noise to end anytime soon, so let's just say we're in this video together. Don't mind the noise guys, don't mind the noise. Let's go. Now guys, within this Davido song, I know happy, never come I'm not going to lyrics here, but we're doing the dance. So many guys have their different version of the dance, so this is my own variation of the dance guys. So if you're here on YouTube, you can do my own if it's easier for you to do it. I think so. So in case you're new here, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends about the dance guys. And comment in the comment section what you think, which dance tutorial you want to learn, and I might do a dance video for you, tagging me on the post. So guys, let's dive right into the tutorial. So basically this is my right and this is my left. So this is that's the first step in dance is. And I need to jump. Okay, I come around. I see. So it's 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. Right leg, left leg. Carry your right. Take your left leg forward. Carry your right leg. Cross it. Whilst your left leg is on its eye, so it's. Are you seeing it? You use your left leg to push. So it's 1, 2, 3, go. Are you seeing it? So aligning our leg cross together. So your legs are crossed. So it's. Once I got to that step, next you do is you open, close, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Are you seeing it? So it's go. Are you seeing guys? So it's cross, open, close, 1, 2. So let's go. Cross, open. Are you seeing? Close together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you getting it guys? Let's go. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's first step. I know I'll be competition, no competing. Let's go. Come on now. 1, 2, 3. So after I've done cross, 1, 2, do 1, 2, 3. Right leg go. 1. Like this. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3. Let me just together from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. See, my hands are following it for you to get the rhythm. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Shoot. 1, 2, 3. You fall back. Once your leg is dragging back, so it's like you're jumping with your left leg and allowing your right leg on the cross ring. So it's jump, cross. I say jump, cross. So it's cross. Whilst you're throwing your right leg, cross. Something like that. So it's this, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot. Basically. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. This, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot. Okay, I'm getting it, guys. Let's go on that. 5, 6, 7, 8. This, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot. So it's once you cross, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot. Yeah. What I'm going to do, the next step to do is if I do cross, 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot, you kick. Please cross, 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot, you kick. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think, guys. So you guys, sorry about the noise. Remember, doing some workload on this side, so let us go with the flow, guys. Don't know the flow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Please, just 1, 2, 3, shoot, kick. Please, cross. 1, 2. I guess in that. Hope you are getting it. Please, I'm not subscribed to this channel. Kindly subscribe down below. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Please, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Kick. Please, cross. 1, 2. Then do 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess in guys. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then do 1, 2. And you do a please. Your leg one dance 4 times, just 4. Let's go with this extent. 5, 6, 7, 8. Please, just 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot. Kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4. You have to be getting it, guys. You literally have to be getting it. Yeah, it's just 4. I think that was just for slow. I'm doing 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're finding it difficult to dance this one, I did this in a previous video. This dance. Yeah, I did my previous video, so you can go and check it out, guys. Yeah, you can check it out. So basically, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your shoulders will follow you. Obviously, let's go, guys, from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Please, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hope you get any, guys. You have to get any, guys. So if you want to can you subscribe down below, like this video, and share to your friends, guys. Let's go one more time. I think I'm feeling this right now. Let's unbutton the shirt a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you have subscribed to the channel, guys. Hope you have subscribed. Because you need to subscribe for me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Please cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shoot. Kick. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shoot. Kick. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that's just it. That's the dance, guys. So in case you like this kind of content, follow me for more. I think I'll do a part 2, a more detailed video on this dance, my next video. So kindly follow me, subscribe to my channel, like video, and comment which place you are finding difficult to do. And not forget to watch these videos over here. If you do my video from this, if you do the dance, this tutorial, like if you do the challenge from this tutorial, kindly put hashtag to your video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. 1, 2, 3, drop, kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Remember, once you're doing 1,